going to be unboxing a drone called the Mavic Mini 2. And I'm going to show you what's inside. Hi guys, we're back, and I'm really excited to see what's inside. So it's a really beautiful case. It's really smooth. Here's the zipper. First things first, here's the drone. Then we have the remote control. And then we have some instructions, and these are the accessories. So here we have the drone. That's the back of it, and then here's the front. And then here we have the remote control in its case. And here we have the front. And then we have some instructions and the accessories. We're going to open them first. Here we have I think it's a cube. And then I think this is the battery pack or something. And then here we have a USB wire. And then we're gonna open this. It turns out it is the USB. It is the battery pack. And now we're gonna open the remote controller. I think I'll take off the sticker later. And then we'll finally open the drone and unleash it. So first we are going to be unboxing the remote from everything. And here are the joysticks right here. So I'm going to take them out and put them in their place. Here's one of the joysticks in. Here's both of the joysticks in. And we have some plugs for these and this. And then we're going to open the drone. Here's the drone.
Show it face up.
The flapper, the whatever they are. And then we're going to be following the instructions. There's number 1 right here. We already did that step to unfold the arms, front arms forwards. And step 2 is right here, unfold the rear arms forward. Yeah, we already did that. So we got to find step number 3. It seems like we forgot to take off the gimbal protector for the camera, so we'll take it off. Here's how it looks, and here's how the gimbal protector looks. Here's how the camera is. It has a couple stickers on it, so I'm going to take those off. Okay, the battery. Where's the battery? It's right here. Here's the battery, where the battery is. Here's what the battery looks like. I think I'm going to slide that back in a second. And here we have 2 extra spare batteries. Bye. So this is what we got, and here we have the case it came in, and then we have all the 3 battery packs, and then we have the drone right here, and we have its controller, and we have its battery holder, and its extra propellers, but it didn't come with extra propellers for us. So this is called the Fly More combo, and it's a little bit more expensive, but that's okay. So see you in the next. So here we have instruction 2 to 5, and then we have number 6 over here. So it turns out that the extra propellers and the other stuff were actually in the zipper, which I'll show you once I open this bag. See, they turned out to be in this zipper. So I'm gonna grab them. So here's what they look like. All 3 in little plastic baggies. And then I think this is a screwdriver. And we also have some extra little control sticks for the controller right here. And that's pretty much it.
See you in the next video.